Hi, I'm William Palmer.
Hello, my name is E.
Hello, my name is Wenji.
Hi, I'm Darius.
I'm Tijan Tao.
Ciao, my name is Anna Vescovi.
I'm Chloe.
Hello, my name is Steven Chevalier.
Hello, I'm Stan Peters.
I'm Jamie O'Grady.
We have to look towards past creativity to understand how to move forward into the future.
But we never really think about what about tomorrow's designer, or like who will be like the next established designer in 10 or 20 years and who we will be archiving next.
Seeing also how the garments are preserved and cherished essentially and become part of an archive which can be studied and educational for future generations.
Especially because it's designers' first works. It's creativity without any limit. So here you can really see untapped creativity.
When I come here, I also saw the previous finalists. I knew them before. I'm so happy I can be part of them.
The residency was so much fun, very busy, packed schedule. We're always on the go. It was a balance of workshops, master classes, and we're able to learn a lot, see a lot.
The workshop really helped by exploring new techniques, by exploring new materials.
We learned a lot from production. We visited some archive, it was amazing.
I was very surprised by all the workshop. I learned more than I thought that I would be, so I was very happy.
I just met with the jury.
I'm very grateful that I could talk to them, but I'm happy that it's over.
It's great that ITS give us the chance to talk to these people that it's also quite hard to reach on a daily basis.
For me, Rise and Shine signifies we're in a period of time where now is the time to act.
When you have to say Rise and Shine is like try to use your work and your art for have a strong message, for look a bit at what's going on in the world.
It's inner power, and it led me to continue change something.
Thinking about the future can be a bit scary, especially right now.
We need some voices and some new voices.
We will fight against all this craziness.
Can we live with less? And hopefully this will be a new mindset that can help the world and help us live better lives.
I'm confident that through creativity we can keep challenging and make the world better, I hope.
Imagine what the future holds, what tomorrow knows. A dream is just an open door to the stories to be told.
We are really a family. Like, we will see each other like as soon as possible again. I love you.